Today through much of Wednesday, we'll continue to see some winter conditions across much of the state of Colorado. Temperature-wise, we're in the low 20s downtown out to the airport. Winds strong, sustained from the north-northeast at 12 miles per hour. Giving you another peek into places like Loveland Ski Area. You can see hasn't moved in there yet. The snow is moving in from north to south, impacting the Denver metro area as of right now. Some heavier bands of snow just west of town. Currently, we're seeing up through Genesee, Golden, and Arvada. Downtown Denver switching over to snow, and also on I-76 could be seeing some treacherous driving conditions out that way. If you do have to hit the roads, please be extra cautious. Make sure you have the appropriate tread on your tires, windshield wiper fluid. Take it slow. Be patient, please, if you are out and about this morning. Winter storm warning in place for our foothills into some of our northern mountains through at least 6 o'clock on Monday. So friends, this is a very slow moving system. It'll continue to drag in more snow as we go throughout mid-morning into early afternoon. A winter weather advisory in place for the Denver metro area until 6 o'clock on Monday as well. So by tonight and through early Monday morning, the heaviest snow is expected here for the metro, and when all is said and done, could be looking at around 5 to 9 inches in Denver, 9 to 14 out west. Here's our futurecast. By 3:30 this afternoon, you can see through Fort Collins some heavier snow lingering, still staying clear up through our central mountains, Eagle, Aspen, and Vail. A pretty bluebird day for the first half of our Sunday, and then late tonight you can see more widespread snowfall moving in across our central mountains down south as well, including the Denver area. This is at 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you do have to make a commute early on, please leave extra time. Take it really slow. CDOT is great about clearing our highways, but still bridges, overpasses, side streets. You'll definitely want to have a shovel to clear the driveway if you need be. By 11 o'clock tomorrow morning, though, we'll start to clear out. So this one system will exit come Monday afternoon. It'll be cold, but also clear. So we're expecting some sunshine by Monday afternoon before another storm rolls in come Tuesday. So expect just a couple days worth of winter weather. By Tuesday morning, you can see more snowfall moving into our northern and central mountains. That'll also impact the metro area come Tuesday afternoon through Wednesday. And then we should clear out by Halloween on Thursday. So temperatures are in the 20s right now. Aurora, Parker only at 15 degrees, and Evergreen. If you are out and about, make sure you have lots of layers on, snow boots, hat, gloves. By 3 o'clock this afternoon, continued snowfall expected all across the Front Range and Plains. Fort Collins at a high of 29 degrees, low 30s up into Greeley. And here's what it looks like on our snowfall forecast as of right now. So a couple of inches possible through the day today. Heavier snow likely late tonight through early tomorrow morning. And here's what it looks like by 9:30 on Monday, up to around 6 inches up into Broomfield, Longmont, more into the foothills and into our central mountains as well. And taking us through our 7-day forecast, continued snowfall. First alert action days through Tuesday. It's going to be really cold Wednesday morning in the single digits, and then a little bit milder as we round out this week and head into next weekend.
Good for Halloween.